Good morning, students. As we are standing in laboratory, and today we are come here for the performance activity. Okay, as ninth standard is started, and we have to perform the first activity today to find out the properties of matters. We study and start the chapter matters in our surroundings, in which the activity going on. We need to find out the matter is made up of particles. So we are performing an activity as experimentally. So today we have activity of potassium permanganate. We have different beakers in which different capacity of water is taken. Throughout you can watch we have more than 5 or 6 beakers in which different amount of water is filled. Okay, so as we have in potassium permanganate, as you can watch, so take the potassium permanganate first. Yes, with the help of a spatula we are taking a few crystals of potassium permanganate and pour down in first beaker in which 100 ml of water is taken. So with the help of now glass rod, we are going to mix the solution well. Now you can watch the color of the first beaker is going to be violet. Now after mixing the first solution in which 100 ml of potassium permanganate solution, you can watch this is the color of violet. Now we need to take 10 ml of this solution, and in next beaker we are to mix in which 90 ml of water is taken. So we are going 10 ml as the measurement device we have. So we have 10 ml solution of the first beaker, now pouring down in the next beaker B. So you can watch the color of the second beaker is going to be violet. Now in second beaker, the color of the first beaker you can watch, here is some difference. The first beaker we have dark violet, and in the next we have slightly weak. Now 10 ml of the next beaker is to be poured down. So we are going to mix next 10 ml in the next beaker, in which the 90 ml of water has been taken by the students. Yes, now you can pour down in the next one. So the color of the third beaker, you can watch the slightly pink color is obtained. Now we need to take 10 ml of the third one beakers, the third one in the 10 ml of this solution need to be mixed in the next one. Yeah, you can take slowly, not to be agitated. Okay, now pour down in the next one, and the color of the fourth beaker, now you can watch, is slightly pink. Now the fourth one also we need 10 ml and mix in the last one. Mix it. Now you can observe the beaker number 1. We have in beaker number 1 very dark violet color. In second we have slightly dark, and in the third we have light, and the fourth one the color of pink is slightly, you can watch if you are able. And in the final beaker, there is a few differences you can watch. It means that the potassium permanganate is substance, is a matter which is made up of teeny particles. So it has been observed that in this activity, and it has been clear that in this activity matter is made up of teeny particles. So after this potassium permanganate activity, now we have another test or another activity of Dettol. Okay, we have a Dettol solution here. You can watch, and we have three types, all different amount of water in three beakers. So let's do the activity of the next with the Dettols. Okay, now starting with the Dettols. Firstly, we need to open the Dettol box. Okay, Dettol box now to be opened by student. Now the three beakers in a row set up. Now the drops has been put on in the first beaker, in which 10 in 100 ml of water we had. Now the smell of the first beaker, you can check. Everyone will check the smell of the first beaker. We have smell of Dettols. Yeah, everyone turn by turn. We are checking. Yes, the smell is going on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can observe the smell. Now put it at the first. Now we need take 10 ml of the first beaker solution and mix it to the next one. Yeah, take 10 ml. Now pouring down in the second one, and now check the smell of the second one beaker. It is going to be smell. Is it coming?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The smell is going on.
Yes, sir.
Now from the second one need 10 ml of this solution. Now take 10 ml of this beaker solution, mix in the next one and the final one, and check the smell also. Now checking the smell of the third one and the last beaker. Smell.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting the smell?
Yes, sir.
Is it coming?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the smell is coming. So in the first and the last beaker, now you can observe the smell of the first and the last beaker. Okay, turn by turn, first and the last one. Take the smell of the first one and the last one, and tell the difference between the two beakers' smell. And speak the strength of the first beaker and the last one. It is slightly different. Right?
Yes, sir.
In the first beaker, we have a strong smell of the Dettols. In the final one, we have a slightly weak smell of the Dettol. It means that the particles of Dettols is mixing in water molecules. Okay? Because of empty space present in the water molecules, in which the space is surrounded by the Dettols particles. So it means that matter is made up of particles. So we performed two activities differentiately. First one, we had the activity of potassium permanganate, which is a solid matters, and the second one, we have a liquid, Dettols. So two states of matters we use today and perform today, and find and result we got the matter is made up of teeny particles, and we cannot imagine the particles size.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the size of particles is very, very small. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so thank you and enjoy